knows whose pants is on you? Ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses your Nicky like you told them or till they hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Okay, I don't like this level. I don't really think it deserves a reaction. I'm happy because now I have 100 demons, and this is my 42nd extreme. Cool. But like, this level just is not good, dude. This level's awful, like, genuinely. It doesn't deserve me like freaking out over it like I did for the other ones. I don't like it. Calculator somewhere. 5179 minus 249 4930.